sometimes it take a bit longer if you always do it by your own, you know.
Yes.
So that's why we also use, how to say, like already
Yes.
the milk coconut is already.
Yeah. Okay.
This is harder. You can use to make a ball or something.
Yes.
Yeah. Even if you want to make a glass, like not glass but cup, it's possible. Yeah.
So it keeps cool.
Don't forget, come here, guys.
Karena hampir semua di
Okay.
can use it.
So
Yeah,
one part or
you can make a two piece. You can make two pieces first.
yes.
Yeah.
This
Yes. And after that you can plus.
Slice.
small, yes.
You can make a bit bigger also.
Bigger.
Yes, like that.
Like this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice.
Okay. I make a photo.
Yeah.
I
Step,
need the steps.
step by
Otherwise, I
step.
don't know.
Save moment.
Yes. Yes. Ini kan bisa dressing, grind it.
Very good.
2, 4, 6, 8 tourist chili.
Ah.
Yeah.
And this is
The local,
locals.
yeah. 4, 6, 8, 9.
And how many? What was the name of this? I forgot.
Macadamia.
Macadamia.
You should get some nurse. Ingat dulu. So when you feel flu or something, you need to make a sambal like this, yeah?
Yes.
With a strong smell.
Yes.
Make it free at your noise.
Petit in Indonesia.
Okay.
Selamat makan.
Selamat makan.
Selamat makan.
All ready to eat. Selamat makan.
It's normally